In Picasso DG photo album software, you can create auto layout of photos in one click, so no need of manual positioning. We call it Smart Album Auto Instant Layout. Let's see how it works. Add new album page and from photo gallery, select photo you want to use on this page. Now click on auto layout, add photos button, boom, your photos added on page with ready layout, no need of any positioning. If you do not like this layout, you can change and try different on next previous auto layout button. It's really impressing, right? And fast too. If you want to change layout directly as per choice, you can do that from layout gallery too. You can also add your own position layout in layout gallery for future use. Add, edit, delete, everything you can do. Hope this feature is useful if you want to design with your own creation, as in Picasso, thousands of ready template design are available on which you can drag, drop photos and page is ready. Check our main feature, that's instant bokeh too.
Picasso DG photo album software comes with one-click instant bokeh light effect, which will enhance your normal album page instantly.